to do in the Studio One is sort of set the scene. It's our first time often experimenting with the design thinking process, and we work with external partners. We feel that trying this consultancy position, the strategist position, is a good way of learning. Working with an external partner gives a lot of meaning to the process for the students, and we also get to help companies move to the next level or create sustainable growth and tackle some of the problems that they're having.
It's been a really fun, interesting experience, and the team has been excellent in communicating and really making me feel like I'm a part of the process. And they're great. I really think a lot of it comes down to we are the client for them, and they're looking to meet our needs, and they want to make sure that they completely understand what we're looking for and what our vision is and how we want this space to look.
We teach a lot of frameworks and principles and ideas to the students, but if they don't have the ability to be able to practice and to be able to implement what they are learning, it's very hard for them to actually then be able to figure out how to apply these things when they're actually working in real life or trying to start a business.
I think creativity and innovation is actually about practice. It's just like a sport. And I think each day coming to class and being reminded of that by our teacher, who's kind of like a coach to us, to be honest, it makes it feel like you're in practice. You're kind of just literally is a physical activity as much as a mental activity as we're doing this.
I'm in my integrated studio class, and we have a speaker who is talking about waste management, and he mentions that there's a guy making product out of mushrooms, and that struck a chord. That to me was so innovative. I had to do further research, and I've been able to take that notion and actually find out who that guy was and research his company, and I'm now working with that topic on a project throughout a class that I've been working on the entire semester. So it's amazing how one class, I feel like I've been learning so much and getting so much new innovation information that it's allowing me to take it into other classes and into real life. I'm loving that about the program.
Creatives are over here and the business people are over here, and sometimes they get together, but if it's time to talk business, if it's time to talk profitability, if it's time to talk strategy, the designers, the creatives can leave the room. I think that the creatives can lead the room, and that's really what I hope to see happen.
I'm really excited about the program because I think the way that JJ and Rhea and a lot of the people who are around the program are trying to make it a living laboratory so that it constantly grows and changes with each incoming class, because there are always new things that we learn and always new things that we want to try. So it's a very exciting program to be at. Not to knock the other courses that are taught in the school, and for the right reasons, that they are very much grounded on very foundational elements that are timeless. For us, it's about trying new things and experimenting and prototyping to see what will work for the student body.